Welcome to my YouTube channel. So when we wanna to auto hide Windows 10 Taskbar, then the problem is we have to activate Windows, but we cannot. So for this I have a quick solution. Search for regedit and run it as admin. Now after this go to given location. Key current user, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, Explorer, X3. Now, click on Setting to edit. Make sure to take backup of registry before making any changes. Now, in second line, replace 0 with 03. And now, open Task Manager, search for Windows Explorer, then click on Restart. Now, see Auto Hide Taskbar is working. Don't forget subscribe button is free to click.